So my daughter just found my old wallet. I did not pick this out. Don't come at me. But I did have a matching purse with it. The purse didn't have the guns on it. Don't judge me on it. But we're about to open this up and see what it was like back in probably like 2012-ish. Okay. Oh, hang on. We'll have to blur that out, but an ID, voter registration card, my server permit for alcohol. Oh my gosh, back when Toys R Us was a thing. American Eagle card. Shoe Carnival. We're gonna run out of time here. Insurance cards. Pure Romance. Plato's Closet. And these are shot records. More insurance cards. And pictures.